For this example, we want to be able to differentiate the function, and the function is given to be f of x, which is equal to x to the fifth minus 6x plus 1. So let's go ahead and find the derivative of this function. So recall that to find the derivative of this function, we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of our function x to the fifth minus 6x plus 1. So now what we're going to do is find the derivative with respect to x to each of the terms. So we have the derivative with respect to x of x to the fifth minus, this is going to be 6 times the derivative with respect to x of x plus the derivative with respect to x of 1. Okay, so now let's take a look at the definitions. So we know that if we take the derivative with respect to x of a constant, it's equal to 0. If we take the derivative with respect to x of x, it's equal to 1. And derivative with respect to x of x to the nth power is equal to n times x to the n minus 1, which is called the power rule. So let's apply it to each one of these terms. So we have the following. If we take the derivative with respect to x to the fifth, well, that means that n is going to be 5. This is going to be 5x to the n minus 1, which is 5 minus 1, minus 6. We know the derivative with respect to x of x is equal to 1, plus the derivative with respect to x of a constant is equal to 0. And so therefore, we're going to have f prime of x, which is going to equal 5x to the power of 5 minus 1, which is x to the fourth, minus 6 times 1 is 6, and then we have 0. So therefore, there is the derivative of our function.